Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make this slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm already in my new project, and what you want to do first is go up to File, then go to Project Settings, and in the Master Settings tab scroll down all the way until Read Time Process. What you want to do here is click Optical Flow. This just makes sure that the slow motion is very smooth. Then just hit save, and that's it. Okay, now to the fun part. Let's go with the slow motion effect. I've already dragged my clip in here and now there are many ways. I will show you some of them. Okay, what you want to do is, let's say you want to make slow motion on the whole clip. Then just right click on the clip and go to change clip speed. Click it, and what we want to do here is, let's say we want to do the speed of 50%. And then just hit change, and then as you can see it's 50%. Okay, let's just do it again. Okay, another way to make the slow motion effect is, again, drag in the clip, right click, and then go to Read Time Controls. Click this, and now you see this little weird thing. What you want to do is click this and then go to change speed, and here you can adjust it as you like, let's say 25%, and then the video and the audio will get adjusted. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's say you only want slow motion for a little part of your clip. What you want to do for this is click on the clip and then go to this one, Blade Edit Mode. Then you just search for the time you want to start your part of the slow motion effect. Let's say we want to start here, then just click it to cut it, and then search for the ending point. Let's say just here. Click it again, and now this part here, we want to make this part slow motion. Just click Trim Edit Mode, then select the clip, right click, and then go to Read Time Controls. What this will do is just show the Read Time Controls for this little clip. Then just click this again, change speed, 50%. And now as you can see here, it's normal speed, and now it's 50%. And then again, 100%. Perfect. Okay, and now I'll show you the second option if you want to make slow motion for only a little part of your clip. For this, just click on the right click and then go to Read Time Controls again. What you want to do now is search for the starting point of your slow motion effect, let's say here. Then click on this little arrow and then hit Add Speed Point. Then search for the ending point, let's say here, and do the same again, Add Speed Point. Now you have these three sections, first, second, third. Now you can adjust each section and the speed, let's say 75% here, 50% here, and here 100%. And that's it. Perfect. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make the slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.